Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I found this thing that could actually blow your mind as well. So I found this thing that is Telegram wallet is providing 50% of AP. Okay, that is 50% of AP. Okay, AP stands for annual percentage yield. So in this, what happened is, so like let's say you put some money, like I've did right now in here. I've put like 10 USDT, that is $10. So I'll be getting 50% of it by an year. So let's say I've put $10. So by an year it will become like $15, and I can take it out. But there's a catch. Like Telegram won't give you this thing in his wallet, rather you had to take an outsourcing wallet. Or and the another thing is that you can't be putting that money out in USDT. Okay, you had to put that money out in ton. So ton is a new currency that came, mostly it's being used by Telegram. Like I'll tell you like how it's being used. So there's like there's this fragment auction bot. So on that, what you can do is you can buy or sell usernames in Telegram. Yeah, you can actually buy and sell username. If you want how, then I'll be telling you later on in the video. Just tell me in the comment, I'll be telling you about it. But the thing is that, think about this for a moment, that if Telegram is doing this thing, right? If Telegram can literally give you 50% of AP, because I've seen people giving, I've seen, right? I've been to crypto. So 50% is too much, man. Like 50% is literally, it's too much. And I'm putting $10 right now because I haven't verified my identity. So yeah, that's the another criteria. Like you have to actually identify your your what you can say, your nationality, right? So either like if you're living in India like I'm doing, so you have to provide it with KYC, like Aadhaar card, PAN card, or you can even give your passport, like anything like that that could tell Telegram that you're real, like you're not fake, you're not faking your identity, right? So that's what Telegram need, and I think that's why Telegram is doing it on the first place, so that it can have your information. Like coming back to the point, like even Sam Altman is doing it with the WorldCoin, that it would let you have his orb, like you have to verify your eyes, so that it can have the information of your eyes. So it would be paying you, around 17,000 rupees. In dollars it's like around, I guess, $100 to $200 he's paying just to make you verify your eyes. So I mean, many people are very crazy about it, and many people are opposing it because they're thinking that their information is it could be very harmful later on in life, right? So let's coming back to the point ki, the thing is that Telegram is providing you 50% AP. So I think that's the best time you should be putting money. If you don't have any, like try earning it from Telegram. Like I do, if you want to know how I make money from Telegram, I've made around $200 to $300 previous month. So if you want to know about it, I would be telling you, and that's like actually a factual thing. I don't do anything, anything crappy about it. So if you want to know about it, just comment and I'll be telling you about it as well. But if you don't have money, if you don't know right now how to actually make money out of it, I would suggest you to go ahead and to put some money in it and to actually see if it's working or not, because that's Telegram, man. Like Telegram is doing for the first time. So I would rather tell you that take this opportunity. I would really highly suggest you this. And I'm not promoting Telegram. Like I've just seen 50% and I was like, boom, man. And let me tell you a fun fact. Okay, so actually I was actually having $123 on Telegram, okay, in USDT, just 4 hours back when Telegram took this wallet on out, right? So I was like, man, if I wouldn't be selling it out, like it would be so insane, right? That I did just before 4 hours. If I have some patience and I've just waited for quite a little, I'd be making money out of it, right? But I haven't did it somehow. So yeah, that is it for the video. That Telegram just having a wallet. Telegram is actually having a new position as well. I'll tell you about that as well. But for now, let it be. And yeah, stay happy.